Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Money Goals Mastery. Today I'm going to share with you how I make $100 a day every day with absolutely no prior experience. Yes, you heard that right. Now you might be wondering, how can I do this? Well, I'll walk you through simple steps you can follow to get started even if you're a total beginner. So, the main method I use is freelancing and online side hustles. What's awesome about this that you don't need any techno skills and you can do it from anywhere. Here are the 5 steps I followed to start earning $100 a day. The first step is to sign up for freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You can offer simple services like data entry, writing, graphic design, or even virtual assistant work. You don't need experience to get started. For example, on Fiverr, you can offer basic gigs like writing product descriptions, proofreading, or designing simple logos. The key here is to find easy jobs you're comfortable doing. The second way to make money with no experience is through an online service. Platforms like Swipebucks and SurveyJunkie pay you to answer simple questions, taught how you can earn cash, gift cards, or even PayPal transfers. Surveys don't pay much individually, but if you do them consistently, you can easily add up to $10-20 per day. The third step is affiliate marketing. Don't worry, you don't need a huge following to make money with this. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates. All you need to do is recommend products you love. When someone buys using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Next, let's talk about selling digital products. If you have any hobbies like designing templates or writing, you can turn them into products and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. For example, you can create printable planners, ebooks, or even social media templates. Once you upload them, they can be sold over and over again, generating passive income. Finally, virtual assistant jobs are a great way to earn money online without experience. You'll be helping small businesses, entrepreneurs with tasks like email management, social media scheduling, or simple admin work. Sign up for websites like remote.c or Belay to find these opportunities. You can earn anywhere from $10 to $25 per hour. So, there you have it. These 5 steps: freelancing, online surveys, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and virtual assistant work are all ways to earn $100 a day, even if you have no prior experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips to make money online. Also, let me know in the comments which of these methods you're going to try first. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.